Sheldon claimed the plan is a, quote, pie in the big sky idea that will cost taxpayers more than it's worth. The council is expected to debate the proposal in Monday's session. Coming up next in sports.
Suggested, not mandated. We assemble a council of experts who will determine exactly.
Nowhere here does it say who.
I am sick of the Fairfax County Council.
You tell me every day.
Move me online.
It's 4 in the goddamn morning. I got a city council meeting.
You've been police commissioner for what? Almost a decade now.
We're here to talk about my resume.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word council. It means an assembly of persons summoned or convened for consultation, deliberation, or advice. Also means a body of persons specially designated or selected to act in an advisory, administrative, or legislative capacity, the Governor's Council on Housing. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce council, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to kun. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how council is used in real life.
We assemble a council of experts who will determine exactly.
I got a city council meeting.
You dare lecture me, your student council president, on rules and procedures? If this were...
I am sick of the Fairfax County Council.
You tell me.
I've reconsidered your bid for student council president.
The council is expected to debate the proposal.
Let's take roll. Science, Sheldon.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.